Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about present perfect continuous. In this video, I will be explaining how to construct one present perfect continuous sentence and how to change it into negative, interrogative and negative interrogative, and where you use present perfect continuous sentences. You will get all explanations in this video. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarani Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's see how to construct present perfect continuous sentence. At first I am going to say the structure of a present perfect continuous. Subject plus have or has plus been plus verb for means ing form of verb. Then here one adverb or noun comes, since or for, then time. Right? So as the title, so the structure. Right? She subject plus have has. As per subject, have or has will go. Then present perfect continuous. You see present form of verb, present perfect, you have known have has plus V3 we use in present perfect. So have has plus been. It is the construction of present perfect. Then present perfect continuous. Continuous means what? Be verb plus ing form of verb. So here be verb plus ing form of verb. This is continuous. In such way, it is present perfect continuous. Right? So its construction, she has been sleeping since 6 p.m. There one time, point of time or period of time comes in every sentence of present perfect continuous. Subject, she has been sleeping. This is the verb phrase. Okay, has been sleeping. Verb is the most important part in tense. If you understand verb, there will not be any difficult trouble to get tense. She has been sleeping since 6 p.m. Okay, has been, then ing form of a verb. I have been studying for 3 hours. We have been entertaining since 4 p.m. My friend has been waiting for 2 hours. They have been playing since evening. Have been entertaining, has been waiting, have been playing and have been studying. Where you use when something began in the past sometime and still continuing, there you use present perfect continuous. So see that since 6 p.m. that means what? She has been sleeping since 6 p.m. So it started in the past, continuing still now. There you use present perfect continuous. I have been studying for 3 hours. The same we use for period of time, we use since for point of time. Point means it is used here 6 p.m. particular point, particular time, since 4 p.m. for 2 hours means there is not any particular time, that is period of time. That is the difference between since and for, but we use it in present perfect continuous. They have been playing since evening, morning, all are point of time, right? So you get where you use how to construct one present perfect continuous construction, right? So how to change the sentence into negative? She has been sleeping since 6 p.m. How to change the sentence into negative? There is 3 verbs, has been, sleeping. Just after first auxiliary, we have to put not. So she has not been sleeping since 6 p.m. I have been studying, I have not been studying. We have been entertaining, we have not been entertaining. My friend has been waiting, my friend has not been waiting. They have been playing, they have not been playing. Okay, we are not just after the first auxiliary. Get it? So we get how to change one sentence into negative. So what is the construction? What is the structure of negative present perfect continuous? Subject plus have or has, right? Have or has, then not, plus been plus before. Then we use any another, suppose any noun or adverb, since or for, time, right? Let's learn how to change the sentence into interrogative. She has been sleeping since 6 p.m. We have to notice to the first auxiliary, has. That will go to the front, right? Has. Has, then subject, has she. What is written? The same thing you have to write. Been sleeping since 6 p.m. Interrogative. I have been studying for 3 hours. You can say now, have you take to the front? First auxiliary have will go to the front. Have I been studying? Have I been studying for 3 hours? Question mark. We have been entertaining since 4 p.m. The same thing, how. Have we been entertaining? Have we been entertaining since 4 p.m. Question mark. My friend has been waiting for 2 hours. Has my friend been waiting for 2 hours? They have been playing since evening. Have they been playing? Have they been playing? Since evening. So, this is the structure of in present perfect continuous interrogative sentence. So, what is the structure? Have or has, right, plus subject, plus been, plus before, then question mark. Now, we have to see how to change the sentence into negative and interrogative. Negative interrogative means the sentence will be changed into interrogative with negative. So, we have to add not there. The word not. Has she been sleeping since 6 p.m.? The sentence is she has been sleeping since 6 p.m. Change the sentence into negative and interrogative. That means we have to change the sentence into interrogative with not. So, where not will be used? Has she not been? This is only direct. We have to change the sentence into negative interrogative. Has she not been sleeping since 6 p.m.? I have been studying for 3 hours. Have I been? This is interrogative. Negative interrogative. Have I not been? Have I not been studying for 3 hours? We have been entertaining since 4 p.m. Have we been? This is interrogative. Negative interrogative. Have you not been? have we not been entertaining since 4 p.m.? My friend has been waiting for 2 hours. Has my friend not been waiting for 2 hours? They have been playing since evening. Have they not been playing since evening? Okay? In such way, we can change the sentence into negative and interrogative. Suppose a student cannot change the sentence into negative interrogative direct from one affirmative sentence. There, what should be done? At first, change the sentence into interrogative. What I done here? Has she been sleeping since 6 p.m.? This is interrogative. And are not there. That will be negative interrogative. In such way you can do, otherwise direct you can do. And negative interrogative sentence also can be written in another form. What is that? In the contracted form, you can write haven't or hasn't. What is that? This is, has she not been sleeping since 6 p.m.? We can write in such way, hasn't she been? Okay? Hasn't. Has not. When we writing has not in the front before subject, that must be written in contracted form. Right? If you write in the full form, that sentence will be wrong. So, hasn't she been sleeping since 6 p.m.? Hasn't she been sleeping since 6 p.m.? Question mark. Okay? If someone will write has not she, that means full form. It is wrong. Okay? If you write in front, we have to write the contracted form. We have to use the contracted form. Have I not been studying for 3 hours? What it will be? Haven't I been? Okay? Haven't. Haven't I been studying? Haven't I been studying? If you want to get the contracted form, you will get the link in the description box, and also simple present, present perfect, present continuous link you will get in the description box. Haven't I been studying, okay, for 3 hours? For 3 hours. Don't forget to put question mark. So what is the structure for negative present perfect continuous? Negative interrogative present perfect continuous structure. What is? Have, okay, what is that? Have or has plus subject plus not. This is what? Plus not plus been plus before plus something plus since or for plus time. This is the structure for present perfect continuous interrogative negative structure, right? For negative sentence. Another structure, have, haven't or hasn't. Haven't or hasn't plus subject plus been plus before, right, plus since or for, this is. So now we can change the sentence, any kind of sentence, present perfect continuous sentence, into negative and interrogative form. Okay. Last one I am doing here. This is, my friend has been waiting. My friend has been waiting for 2 hours. Change the sentence into negative, interrogative. So has. When you are writing first auxiliary in the front, that will be what? Interrogative sentence. When you are not, that will be negative sentence. So when we are both interrogative and negative, that will be negative interrogative. Has my friend been? Has my friend been waiting for? So what we are doing? We are changing the sentence to negative and interrogative. So has my friend not been waiting for 2 hours? Okay? Question mark. Another way, hasn't. Contracted form. Hasn't my friend been waiting? Been waiting for 2 hours. Okay, for 2 hours. Then let's see where you use. Already I explained it. Again I am repeating. Where you use present perfect continuous structure sentence. He has been playing for 2 hours. What is the meaning of it? Where you use it? We use when something began in the past sometime and still continues. That means playing started in the past 2 hours and continuing still now. There you use present perfect continuous. He has been playing for 2 hours. So there comes one time indication. For is used to, already I have told, I explained, for is used to with a period of time and since is used with a point of time, right? It has been raining since morning. It is raining means what? Now it is raining. I am teaching means now I am teaching. But I have been teaching. Okay, I have been teaching for 1 hour. My teaching started in the past sometime, still continuing. There we use have been teaching, right? Present perfect continuous. It has been barking since afternoon. It has been barking. Okay, the dog has been barking since afternoon. Since is used for point of time, remember, and for is used for period of time. It has been raining since morning. So in such way we can use our present perfect continuous structure. Okay, I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.